It is amazing, isn't it? So, I swear, I thought I had enough drones for now, but one still interested me. In my case, it's a PAVO20 from betafpv, and I have had a very positive experience with them. But you might like another one drone similar to this one. I don't really care about specification, but if you care, here it is, because we are actually talking about the opportunities it gives us. Instead of playing out. Of course, it is about weight, size, noise, and also about how other people react on it. What do you think? Is it scary or probably dangerous for people? Just your opinion. You can try.
It's not dangerous.
Not dangerous? At least it doesn't look like this, right?
Yes, even personally I like drone as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have one?
No, I don't have one. I used to do motorbiking back in my country. So I used to have.
Which one, by the way?
It was Suzuki. 250 GSX. So I used to have a lot of action camera. So I like this kind of stuff, and these are fun. Basically, you can.
Exactly.
These are fun.
I didn't buy this, but FPV gave me this drone, and it will replace my Gapper CC Log 20 in future because I like it better. I know it is not totally same drone, but for my tasks, I have to say that I didn't notice any jello effects or something, and so lightweight is a big benefit of this drone, but it also a weakness in the even small wind. Actually, like all whoops, I'm trying to be honest as possible, and I just share my experience. If you want one of it, link in the description. If you have seen the TV show Following of Usher's House, yes, that's the church. Okay, now we know there is no gel effect, but what about prop guards? Are they visible in the frame? And how we can see in the DVR video, yes. But after stabilization in the gear flow, everything is fine. No problemo. Sounds good, huh? As for the settings, everything is quite simple. 4K resolutions, of course, 120 shutter speed, white balance 5500 Kelvin, ISO auto, and gear flow stabilization, of course. How is it scared or how is it dangerous looks like? What do you see?
I think we need to drone because so many people use.
We have to find another interesting place. It looks like I'm going to show you some of my favorite spots in Vancouver. Let's go to this science walk, shall we?
the toy one or like you can take just simple footage from that.
Yeah.
This kind of drone should be fine. I
Yeah.
think like that.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. Well, my conclusions. I do love the possibility that these drones gives me. It's small, not scary, and so much fun. Maybe you will like it too.